I've been brought on with Sophia and Carla just to help build the set and work with others, the people that are coming in on the weekends, and put everything to use as best as we can.
This is one of the apps we need, and the other one is called Flip a Clip.
Today we're learning a little bit more about animation. We're using a couple different programs and we are kind of putting it all together.
I think about a month ago my mom got like a notification. I don't remember what it was. I think it was like an ad she got, and it was promoting this thing, and she read about it and she said, oh, you know, that's a very interesting thing because like my brother and I like movies and we were interested in that. So she signed us up and we've been coming for about a month.
You also can do your own rigs. You can do your own tripod. Make sure that it's all there and it's not gonna fall.
Oh yeah, we did the stop motion app and I got to be a prop, like a human prop for like different outfits, stop motion. We did 12 frames per second.
I think my favorite part of this whole process so far has been meeting all these like cool people who come here every weekend and are super dedicated into this like little project that we're all a part of, and it's really cool to feel like a part of a community and just seeing how invested everyone has been getting. Mainly what I've been doing here has been vomiting out my ideas and like coming up with the story and developing the story.
I had previously collaborated with Carla on a film called Light and with Oscar Fuentes, the Vizcayan poet. During the pandemic, or like really at the beginning of the pandemic, we were all at home, couldn't teach lessons in person or do classes. We had all this time. And so I sent some of my recordings to Oscar and I was like, is this something? Can you do something with this? Maybe you want to write some words or narrate over it. And he chose a few. And after it was done, you know, he was like, oh, I know this woman, Carla, she's amazing. She's enthusiastic. She would love to do an animation to your music and for narration. So he sent her some of the tracks, and the one that you saw in Light, that was the result. And it just was a beautiful friendship that happened very organically.
We face like some technical problems or things that we've had to problem solve, but it's been really easy to collaborate and come up with solutions together.
Coming in and like seeing familiar faces every single week, I genuinely feel like a connection and a kinship with everybody because we're all just in it together.
I think the fact that there's so many different kinds of people like really helps.
What we're building here is amazing and it's blowing my mind.
I'm so excited. I just found out the ending today, so I'm so excited to see how it's gonna look.